Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing Dynaudio's brand new Music 3 music player. This is a departure from classic speakers from Dynaudio, and using the driver and tweeter technology that Dynaudio is famous for, they have produced a range of portable music players called Music. The Music 1 is a little delicate one, and please check out some of the unboxing videos, you'll see it. This is the slightly larger Music 3, again portable, battery operated, and with great features and sound quality that have been so beautifully thought out. You'd think it was from somebody else, but it's not. It's from our friends at Dynaudio. So let's have a look. Firstly, all of these products come in a shipping carton. So this is basically a boring brown box, but it has basic information about what we would expect to see inside on all sides. And on one end, a model and serial number. On the other end, a little bit of a warning, of course, because this is a battery-operated product. Exporting, freighting them by air, all of these things may have some complications, so they declare that to us. Opening these boxes is really, really easy. Knowing that there's a display box inside, I can be a little bit rough with it, but you know, I'm still careful. And opening these is easy. Okay, so inside as we drill down is the basic inner bag and box. This way. Let's get rid of that and have a look. So, the packaging is really colourful. It's designed to grab your attention, perhaps in a store, but most importantly, there's a certain pride of ownership with these products. Dynaudio's done a bloody good job. So they've done a good job of the packaging to make sure that if you are in a store, this catches your eye and you're more likely to perhaps ask about it. And as you're wandering home, carrying this is going to be a sense of pride, because this is a really, really good speaker. So, firstly, the colour photograph that you see here, this does not delineate the colour of the unit inside. These are available in 4 colours: red that you see photographed, light grey, dark grey, and a blue. This is in blue, and it's got a little sticker on the edge here, and again it's reinforced on the top to remind people about the colour of the product inside. Now, while we're on the top, we've got an array of inputs and outputs and features that are labelled here. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all of these things. Although it's the app control that I want to point out. As soon as you get one of these products, download the Dynaudio Music app, sign up, and it brings your music to life, and it brings the control and setup of this as well. You'll see some more buttons and things inside that I'll refer to, but they're all set up via the app. Okay, but a bit more information about the products on this side, along with introducing some of the larger products, the 1, the 3, the 5, and the 7. On the back we see one of those stylized photographs where the mesh grill has sort of been electronically torn away, and it shows a large mid-bass driver and 2 tweeters, giving you a wonderful stereo effect from this very small box. Also about a bit of information about what's going on in as well. Okay, so opening this, oh no, hang on, the other end, a bit more information, apps. By the way, it comes with a 90-day Tidal subscription. There are rumours that it might be extended a little bit, but please check with your dealers. And of course, model, serial number and barcode information here. Okay. Opening it, really easy. There are 2 of those sticky tags sealing this from the factory, and then one of those classic tabs to open it up. This is the first hint of what we're going to see inside, and a reminder to immediately download the app. Whether you're using Android or iOS device, please grab the app as soon as you can. The quality of the carry handle is good, and it's got a good plastic sort of insert, making sure this won't pull out. Looking at, or in the box for the first time, you'll see the accessories, which are protected with a piece of cardboard. This pack is sealed with a little wee Dynaudio logo. It includes an instruction manual and basic setup guide. Now, if you'd like to see exactly what's inside, check out the Music 1 unboxing video. I've opened it and you'll see. But most importantly is the key for Tidal subscriptions, and it's free. Do it. It will improve your music. Tidal is uncompressed, unlike many other streaming services. Right. Okay, so it comes with a couple of power cords. One for New Zealand, figure 8, and one for an alternative voltage, probably Singapore or Hong Kong. It comes with a 3.5mm cable, quite a good one actually. nice and long, 2-3 meters. And this is the first of them that comes with a traditional remote control. Unlike the one which doesn't come with a remote and the buttons on the side are really how you control it. This one you can control from the other side of the room using this remote control. Now the remote control is actually aluminium, and the batteries are inserted in the back with a little plastic clip. Now, the packaging itself is this sort of styrofoam stuff, and it's moulded perfectly to the shape of the product, which we'll get to see now. Now, it's inside a bag, and the carry handle and other things like that, so let's just pick that up for a moment, have a look. We've got ourselves a classic big desiccant bag to make sure it's dry in transit, and off goes the box. Right, having a look at this product for the first time. Now this is in the blue colour, as I mentioned, and you will see that the style is superb. It's got a extruded aluminium frame all the way around, and then speaker cloth front and back. The colour is excellent, and it's quite a design departure from the classic grills that we see on traditional speakers, because this isn't a traditional speaker, it's so much more. Okay, so Dynaudio logo at the front, and hang around for some of the photographs as I take close-ups of some of the buttons, but please, as we pause for a moment, have a look at the style. This isn't supposed to look like a traditional speaker. It's got curves and edges that make it look quite unique. Across the top are some of the main features of this product. Volume up and down is off to one side, and that's indicated with an array of LED lights. Then you've got skip, play, pause, and skip forward, so back and forward in the centre. And then a series of presets that are able to be indicated via tapping through. This allows you to change between the inputs and other things along those lines. Rocking it backwards, you see a good rubber foot at the bottom, obviously enabling this to anchor and not really slip around too much on the surface that it might be on. Turning it around, other than the Dynaudio logo missing, you'd really not know if it was the front or back. But it's where they hide the inputs and outputs at the bottom to keep this style very elegant, yet of course easy to access should you need to plug something in. There's a USB socket at the back, and this is designed for playing back at the most basic of media files via a small USB thumb drive. There's a reset button should there be a problem, and an auxiliary input for the 3.5mm cable that I sent that way. And of course the figure 8 power socket. So this is charged, and once unplugged will give you 6 to 8 hours playback depending on what you're trying to do at volume. So it's an excellent, well-featured product. So, looking at this, the Dynaudio Music 3 portable music and media player and speaker system, of course, from Dynaudio, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.